Hey guys, let's start with a new lab, which is user ID control by request parameter with data leakage in redirect. Okay, so what is the description? The lab contains an access control vulnerability where sensitive information is leaked in the body of a redirect response. To solve the lab, obtain an API key for the user Carlos and submit it as the solution. You can log into your own account, minor Peters. Same goes for the two account. There are two accounts, Carlos and Peter. Sensitive information is leaked in the body of a redirect response. This is the main the point should be noted, a redirect response. Okay, so let's access the lab. Great. So first let's log in into our account Weiner and Peter to solve the lab, obtain an API key for the user caller, submit it as the solution. Great. So what we can do is let's start with Weiner and Peter, and I have an API key of Weiner. Okay, let's try to access Carlos. Let's use the same methodology. Carlos, is it getting? No, it is not getting. Weiner, Peter, that is a proper things are maintained. uh, User, I mean to say, security control has been implemented. Let's go to the view detail. Let's see something is being disclosed here or not. Okay, let's go with the email update, abc@gmail.com. Let's see once what is happening. Let's go to the change email. Okay, my id is equal to Wiener, my id is equal to Carlos. Okay, get id. Okay. mm, get product id. Okay, okay, okay. There is a login here. Okay. 302 found, my ID is equal to Carlos and something. How should I go then ahead? Redirect response. 1 second. Labs contain access control functionality where sensitive information leaked in the body of a redirect response. Solve the lab, obtain an API key for the user caller, submit it as the solution. Okay. There would be a redirect response. So how would I check once? Mm, let's try with logout once. देखते क्या होता है. Get logout. 302 found. Send to repeater. Let's check once. 302 found. Follow redirection. Let's see, Carlos is there. No, Carlos is not there. Here specifically they have told us that something is present. Weiner, Peter. Invalid CSRF token, no problem. abc@gmail.com. Let's try to access it to repeater. Drop this request once and let's change the email. Go to the my account. Okay, change email, and it's showing 302. Okay, fine. Okay, follow redirection. Let's see, where is the Carlos there? No, it's not being fine. So where should we check once? Okay, is it showing for product ID 3? No, Carlos is not there here. Lab content API with a submit. Okay, information is leaked in the body of a redirect response. Okay, great. So how would I check now? I need to see once. Go to the my account. ABC1 API key is present. Let's see for the okay, let's do one thing. Let's try to capture the request. One second, let's do one thing. Let's go for the HTTP history. Take this to the repeater. Let's see if we can change, as we tried once, but it was showing Carlos. It has taken us to the login page. But one second. Here, there is something. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, we got it. See, here it should show 302 found, but by mistakenly developer has put this in the response. It's the mistake of a developer, and this can lead to the privilege escalation and able to find the API key. So I hope you saw I hope you saw my methodology to how should you approach the solving the I mean to say, while doing the pen test of a web application, okay, or any mobile application. What should be the methodology, how you should check? So okay, so this, don't think it as a lab, think as a real world application where you have to find something, you have to check each and every request, and what things you can do in each and every request. That is the most important thing. So I hope you people got the things what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the, I mean to say, let's try to submit and solution, and let's solve this lab. Okay, so I hope you people got this point, how you should approach to an web application pen testing. If suppose, if you have to find some another so what is the main thing, you have to see each and every request, you have to check each and every response. Okay, either is a 302 301, don't ignore that. Okay, see each and everything. If suppose something is be leaked or not, this is the main, this is what you it will make you a skilled pen tester. Okay guys, thank you so much. And just take a note down this point, like a redirect is any situation where web app automatically sends a client browser to a different URL. While there is a redirect, check whether you are able to find something redirect in body, refer header, or URL can leak some sensitive information. Whether it can be body, whether it can be refer header, whether it can be any URL, and can which can leak to some sensitive information. So that is the main point. So thank you so much, guys, for seeing this lab. Welcome.